And I'm back. So where did we stop? Configuration. Hey guys, Sid here from Texie, and we are going to be doing a little bit of customizing to the Linux distro we've been working on. Let's first get the distro started. And I hate it when my system's slow. Fuck it. Never mind. So yeah, test. Let's just start it. So for people who didn't actually check the previous video, there's a link to the configuration post on my blog, and you can find commands over there to follow along the video. And in this video, we're basically going to be getting the desktop environment set up. Then we're going to be installing new themes and new icons for the environment. I have no idea why I'm stammering. So let's start. Sid, oh god, Sid and password is whatever. So arch, and first steps first, pacman s, for the sake of God, type properly. Okay, pacman -s, and now we're gonna type xarg server, if that's the package name, sudo, and yeah, that's not the package name. So xarg server, that is up to date. Never mind. Next step is to install pacman-s. So xarg xinit xterm. I'll be yeah, let's do the GNOME. And what else did I need? JDM. Yeah, that's it. For the sake of it. Go. Enter. 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 And I forgot to connect to the net. Kill me. Somebody kill me. IPlink ENS33 up. Sudo link set ENS33 up. DHCP, and I keep forgetting to give permissions. That's how awesome I am. Yeah, Sid is awesome, and Sid is the best. I am not typing the old thing again. For the sake of God, start downloading. Why the fuck? Disconnect. So pacman syy. No. And it is locked, so lib pacman db. So let this synchronize, let it download, and what else do we want? Let's look for themes. Let downloads. So where's my mouse? Na. Open up, bitch. So we'll be using Flat Remix as the icons, and for shell we'll be looking for, by the way, I'll give you a link to the I'll give you links in the description so you can check them out. And yep, those are the icons. So GNOME, shell, themes, let's check what we good. And we need a wallpaper already on the system, so let's just find themes. Nope. Okay. Let's see if I answer me, and yeah. This one's chaotic. This was nice. Why would you name your games live? Okay, so that's selected. Yeah, so you could select one yourself. Actually, there are a lot of them. An easy way to find out would be just go to Reddit and go to Unix 1. Yeah, you got that right. So you can find really good screenshots over here. So since we're using GNOME, I'm gonna search for GNOME or GNOME, whatever the hell you want to call it. So OS X, no, thanks. Manjaro. Show me the screenshot. Oh, that's plain. That's just dark. So the team's name here is ARC Maya Dark, or you can just say Arc Dark, whatever the hell you want to say it or call it. I don't give a damn. More belong teams. Where the hell are you? Okay, more. So yeah, we'll search from there. So just go to hell as well. So this is the icon pack. This is the shell theme that we'll be using. It's nice. Remember. So we'll download these later. Are you done downloading it? Okay, so you guys have to wait. I'll be back after this is downloaded, and we can continue our idioticness after this. And I'm back. Faster. Get on it. 367 docking packages. Oh, yeah. No. It's 1 in the morning. For the sake of God, install faster. Just do it. Somebody kill me. Okay, those are the 2 things. We had that selected. What else do we need? I don't think we need anything else. Okay. So yeah, for the commands that I type in this video, link to the post will be in the description. You can check that out. People who haven't watched the previous video, you can check it out. It's for the configuration, and it'll bring you to the level where we started this video from. So that's important actually. And after this customization video, there will be multiple customization videos with various themes, various setups that I have on my desktop. That'll be one. So yeah, what else do we need? Just install it. Those packages aren't larger than 2 fucking MB. Install faster. Start. Okay, 67 more packages. And let's check out how many views we have on the previous video. And 3 views. Okay, that's better than 1. Positive attitude. That matters. Oh my god, 5 views. Seriously. So yeah, guys, check that video out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button actually. So we're done with that. So your first command here after that's done, sudo space systemctl enable GDM. So just enter the password, and we are done with that. And systemctl start GDM idiot. So did I give this graphic memory? Yes, I did. So let's just to full screen. And yeah, so first things first, password, enter. And now we're going to have a plain desktop environment to look at. How nice. Okay, since I'm using VM Player, I can directly change the resolution to whatever I used to change it to. For people installing it on your actual system, don't worry about it. The drivers will be installed with the previous command automatically. So, okay, yeah, wrong setting. Where the hell is monitor? Kill me. It did install. Yeah, it's installed. Apply. Apply. Keep changes, and we can. So yeah, you can either stay with this, or you could install better stuff. So there's a few things we need to install. I don't have the audio devices yet, so first things first. Let's get the terminal open and sudo pacman. Type properly. Sudo pacman. Press that. We also need the network manager. I guess it installed it, but let me just check that out. So this. Yeah, network manager installed. So network manager, and we need also URLs. I hope the package name is right. Okay, yeah, both of them are wrong, so pacman is network manager. So does just network manager. Let's just get this installed first and then we will check the other one. So this shouldn't take a lot of time. 3 MB, just do it. Test. So system CDL enable network manager. Done. Sudo pacman. Search for also firmware, also lib. So lib is installed, also plugins is also installed, also utils. Also utils. And let's just check it out. So just press M to unmute it, and then you can change the volume. So yeah, PC volume will be 100, master volume will be full as well. Just escape and let's see else. Yep, we are ready. So all these services will run automatically after a reboot, but I'm just checking them up. So what's next? Yeah, the themes. So before we do that, let's just open a file manager here. And yeah, you need to create 2 folders. So one folder will be named .themes, and the other folder is going to be named icons. Now once this is done, just open GNOME web and then just search for queue, and let's search for shell themes extension. I'll wait for this to load. We need this so that we can actually use pre-built themes and shell themes for the GNOME environment or GNOME environment. What the hell is it loading? Yeah. So turn that to on. Wait for it to show the option to install, and we should be done. So let's just keep this to the side. What's next? Yeah, we need the themes, so slave shell theme. So yeah, get this. Right now. Okay, download. It's done. Shell. Let's just read that. What's next? Go back to the terminal. Type in sudo batman s no tweak tool. Okay, my system is slowing down. Gradually. So enter. It's done. So once that's done, we move to tool. Okay, so let's check the extensions, and okay, we don't have the Linux. Okay, yeah, it's on. So now let's just keep it to the side without shut it down. Everything's on it right now. Get the hell out. Download a theme, close the browser, shut down for a sec. System is losing memory. For all these reasons. Get out. Shut off, shut down. Let's see. Phones. Somebody save me. Please save me. For the sake of God, save me. Okay, so plus Control plus H, and we'll be able to see hidden files, downloads, and we have the theme. So just copy, go back to that themes and paste it. Now back to activities menu, and we need the tweak tool. Go down to appear. Okay, we are already in appearance, and go to shell theme with slave, and we have the shell theme installed. Okay, slave installed. Let's just change this to yeah. Okay. GTK. We don't have a GTK theme. We don't have the icons yet. So next step to download the icons. So again, the web browser. And if you're worried about this, this will get fixed once you reboot the system, because the display isn't able to detect it, so you don't have to worry about that. So that will load fast. Okay. And it's done. So time to go. There's another plugin that I want to install, so let's let that load. Search dash to dock. Here, flat Remix. Just turn that on. And Flash Remix. Okay, install Flash Remix. That is done. So now Flash Remix. Yeah, this is the link. Copy, close. Terminal. Sudo background as git. So we need git to clone this, so I'm just installing that. Won't take long. And it's done downloading. So just go git cd downloads, git clone. And then copy the link. Well done. Well done, said well done. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? Danny Ruiz. Okay, sorry. My bad. Finally. Faster. Downloads, Flash Remix. And yeah. Copy this, go to home, go to icons, paste this there. Tweak tool, open it up, and this tutorial has become really long and boring, and I hate that. So icons and change to Flash Remix. Done. We have that. Let's just make a global direct theme so it looks good. Tweak tool and just make this a global direct theme. The last thing to do is just log out and log in back. we still have this error. We'll have to reboot, so change background and something light should do something like this. Select mind. So that looks fine. So this is just an initial setup. You can modify it to your liking. As I said, you could go to you could actually go to Unixpawn at Reddit and check out other people's themes, and you can actually make your own themes or even better. Stop using your system and use your phone instead. But yeah, bottom off, and dock size is going to be 90%. Icons down 24, 22. Oh yeah, 29 to 20 something. 30 pixels. Surely dark, pattern launcher, and we're done. So that's all I need to do for this system. Looks cool. Let's shut this down. Paragraph. So guys, this was my example of installing Arch Linux from starting to the end with a desktop environment. So hope you guys learned something. People who haven't checked out, you should be checking the previous videos to get up to what we've done today. And the list of commands used in this will be in the post, whose link will be in the description. You can read it out there if the video wasn't clear enough. People who would like to watch more videos from me, hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you. Have fun, lady. What the f? Have fun, people.